Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Cursive Writing series. In this video, we are going to learn how to write A to Z lowercase characters in one line. I'm using this gel pen and 4-line page. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now pick up your pen, put line on T and put dots on I and J. If you want to learn how to write individual characters, you can watch my previous video that is available on this channel. In next video, we are going to learn how to write all characters in one sentence. That is going to be amazing. Hope you are enjoying it. See you in next video. Tata.